Squirts blood out of its eyes towards the predator to scare it away. Most animals, when they see a predator coming, make themselves bigger, maybe brighter, or maybe they just hide really well. This guy, the horned lizard, takes it to a whole different level. It squirts blood out of its eyes towards the predator to scare it away. And not even in a way that's completely harmless to itself. It ruptures a small membrane on the side of its eye, and it squirts this blood like 5 meters ahead just to scare this predator away. And you know what? I'm here saying I would be terrified. If that happened to me, I would run the fuck away. So I believe it. But go on, share in the comments down below if you have anything even freakier than this. I'd love to know.